pro rally driver and Hoonigan co-founder Ken Block was killed in a snowmobile accident on Monday, Hoonigan and local authorities confirmed. Block, a prolific figure in the car community, was 55 years old. A co-founder of DC Shoes, he moved into the world of rally and quickly made a name for himself, developing the Hoonigan brand and creating the much-loved Gymkhana video series, which are titled for Greatest Hits mashup of tire shredding madness. It's with our deepest regrets that we can confirm that Ken Block passed away in a snowmobile accident today, a statement from Hoonigan says. Ken was a visionary, a pioneer, and an icon. And most importantly, a father and a husband.